Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be introducing you to a new subscription box that is the Expressions box, and this is one of the most economical box which is in the market currently. This box is priced at rupees 350. In addition, you have to pay rupees 30 for the shipping. Can you believe it, guys? This box contains a sling bag at such an economical cost. So yes, let us just go right in and see my Expressions box and let us see if we like it together. So friends, the first product and the star product of this box is this beautiful sling. You can choose the color of the sling that you want, and honestly I think this is a pretty good sling at this price point. I mean, I have just paid 340 rupees and I have not only got a sling but I have got some more products. So this has the new in trend cutwork design here and also has a button lock. Let us open and see. So inside it is plain. The material is also quite okay and it has a very small tiny zipper inside, and it is a box sling, so it is quite spacious as you can see. So this is how the sling looks, guys. I think it's pretty good. The material is nice and can definitely be used. Before I go to the next product, the sling is priced at rupees 250. The next product is a charcoal mask cream, and it is supposed to be a anti-blackhead cream. So I think this is a cream and not a peel off mask, and it is written in a language which I cannot understand. So it is a 130 gram product. It is a bamboo charcoal oil control anti-blackhead mask cream. So yes, it is quite a big size product. So this is how the tube looks. So most likely this is a Chinese product, so this needs to be tried before I can comment on this. But yes, charcoal creams are and peel off masks are very much in these days. Let's see how it works. The next product that I can see is this nail enamel from a brand called Lee Fairy. So let me just open this and see. The color is quite nice. It's a metallic maroon color and looks very pretty. The wand is also quite good. So it's a brand which I do not know, but I do not mind using unbranded products on my nail. So yes, this is a good color and I definitely like this too. And the nail enamel is priced at rupees 45. Next we come to the kajal pencil. It is from a brand called as Davis, and again this is not a brand that I have heard of, and it says for professional makeup artist, and the shade is B01 black. So let me just open this. The good part about all these products are they are all sealed. Oh my god, and this is a retractable kajal pencil which is quite amazing, and this is priced at rupees 150. Let me just swatch it for you. The pigmentation is very intense, very nice, and I quite like it. Honestly, let me swatch it once more. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Honestly, this is such a nice eye kajal pencil. It just glided on so smoothly. The color is so nice. I'm honestly very impressed with this product. Happy to get this, and it is a waterproof kajal too. So yeah, big thumbs up for this kajal. And then next comes our earrings. So the first is this star earring. It's a beautiful earring. It's of a good quality and the design is so pretty. I don't know, these days we are getting so many crystal earrings, but they are all beautiful. This is also something that can absolutely be used and they will look very beautiful. They are stunning. So this is priced at rupees 200. And now comes the last product. So the last product is this silver bali, which is worth rupees 170. And guys, just look at this. The quality is so good. I mean, the entire metal is so nice. It's absolutely something that I can wear. I generally do not like to wear cheap jewelry or anything that looks very cheap or poorly made up. So I am happy with this earring, and this is definitely something that I can use. This silver bali is worth rupees 170. There are a few options. You can choose the options. So guys, with that we have covered all the products, and believe me guys, I think it is quite a good deal. I have paid in rupees 380 including the shipping, and I have got products more than 1100, which is almost 3 times of the cost that I have paid. So I think it is a fantastic deal, and Expression Box has done a good job in curating this box. Yes, there are no branded products in this box, but the jewelry is good. The sling is also of a reasonably okay quality considering the price point we are getting this box at, and the kajal is the real stunner. I mean, I honestly like this kajal quite a bit, and yes, I think all the products are good. So a big thumbs up to Expressions Box from my side. I just wish they could have included at least one branded product. That would have just raised the value of this box. Rest, I think it is fine. It's a good deal. The only thing I am hesitant about is this charcoal mask cream. The rest is just good. So guys, with that we come to an end of this unboxing and review. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, please feel free to write to me in the comment section below. Bye for now. Love you all.